supper started in the slow cooker before I even make breakfast this morning because we have a big pork roast here. This is going to take a long time to cook, so I have my slow cooker sprayed. For supper tonight, we're going to have barbecue pulled pork sandwiches with some different sides. And this is going to take at least 8 hours on low, and I want it to cook on low instead of high, so we're going to go ahead and get it started. It'll take 8 to 10 hours, hopefully just around 8 though. Hope this fits in here. Oh, it's going to barely fit, barely. Okay, we're going to season this with, usually it's the first one in my face, but now, okay, yeah, I found it. The Three Little Pigs, touch of cherry rub. Now, I could have seasoned all sides before I put it in, but we're just gonna give it a lot here. It would have gotten everywhere, so we're just gonna do it this way, and we're gonna pour a little bit of apple juice in here. I'm just gonna go around the sides until I see it. There we go. Come up to the top. And that's it. We're gonna put it on low for 8 hours, and then I'll check it, and if we need to go a little longer, we will, but I think 8 hours will be good. Surprised. I finally got rid of the Christmas comforter. I mean, I didn't get rid of it. It's washed and put away until Christmas, but I got this one from Walmart. So last year I had that, it was kind of almost like a tannish yellow comforter. Well, it was a quilt that we got from that quilt shop with bears and trees on it. Anyway, I wanted to switch to something more white this time because our bed is so dark. I just wanted something, you know, really bright. So I went with almost fully white. This is a Pioneer Woman comforter set from Walmart, and it's not very expensive. It was only $45, and I get a king size because we have a queen size bed, but I like for the comforter to hang way over, so I get a king size. But yeah, it came with the comforter, 2 pillow shams, and that decorative pillow. Now the comforter itself, I want to tell y'all about it. It's very fluffy, and I love it, especially when you first get comforters like these. I love them because they're so fluffy. It's like a big giant marshmallow cover on you. It has this little design that goes all around, and you know, if this was a queen size bed, this would actually be right here. But since I like to get a king size, it comes down the side, which is fine. Pillow shams are another thing. They're huge. They're for the really big pillows, and I didn't have any of those, so mine just kind of hangs over to the side, and it's all wrinkled at the moment. But they also tie. I do kind of like the tying thing if you have the right size pillows. You know, if I had the right size, it would look really cute to have the ties. I did tie them, but they're coming untied. I got Cece one too. She's still asleep right now though. I'll pop a picture up of hers. Hers is really pretty. They also had a blue one just like hers, just, you know, blue instead of the pink color. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all about these in case you're looking for a new comforter set, because I've never seen these in the store. I just need to get the bigger pillows so it can fill out these cases. They're chasing Manly everywhere. Woo, they laid these eggs way back this time. I can't reach them.
Those ones grow bigger.
They did grow bigger, didn't they? Those green bean plants grow like crazy. And y'all, we have a surprise. What kind of plants are these?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. These are pumpkins. Titus planted pumpkin seeds here and there and over there, I think.
That one will grow bigger in a minute.
Yeah, it'll grow bigger in a minute. We're gonna have some pumpkins?
Yeah, we're gonna have 3 pumpkins.
We have a newcomer to this tomato plant. Do you see it? Right here, look. We have a new one.
Yeah, we do. That one's a baby one. We need to go ask Sissy and Jonah. It's looking great.
Looking great. So far though, this is the only tomato plant that has any tomatoes on it. I do see a lot of, you know, coming soon things happening on the other two, but this is all we have for now. This one and then those two over there. This is the Hungarian hot wax pepper plant. We had a pretty good sized one over here beside this one. It was right here, and I was like, oh no, Daddy, something ate our big pepper. And then he was like, it was me. He He ate it. What? He said it was good. We have the first habanero pepper right there. Lots more to come. Well, no, I'm sorry. There's one right there too. Can't see them too good. They blend in very well with the leaves.
I see one.
You see it?
Yeah, right there.
Over here, we have this yellow bell pepper, which is still green at the moment, but it's getting big. However, it is the only one on here still. Wait, I might see something coming right here. So these are the mystery pepper plants, we think. I see a little something that might be about to happen there, so maybe we'll know in a few days what kind of peppers are on here. This squash plant is doing the best of any of the squash. It's in the grow bag. The other 2 squash plants are in the ground, and one of them I'm beholding right now is not gonna make it. That's cucumber, that is zucchini. These are the other yellow squash plants, this one and that one. I've been holding out hope for it, but y'all, it's not making it. I don't know what's happening.
I think an animal was standing on it.
I think an animal stood on it. This one was doing fine, and now it's doing the same thing.
Those other ones got it.
Yeah, what happened, y'all? I don't know. The one in the grow bag is doing outstanding. Also, we lost one of the watermelon plants. The other one was doing okay. Here's how it's looking right now. It's not really getting any bigger, so I'm getting concerned.
Yeah, that one will grow bigger in a minute.
You think so? I'm getting concerned that we're gonna lose it too. I don't know. Tomatoes, peppers, the squash plant in the grow bag, and that cucumber and zucchini down there are doing great. And hopefully, pumpkins and green beans. I totally did not think any pumpkin thing was gonna happen here, but it's happening. I also didn't think any green bean thing was gonna happen, but here we are. Okay, y'all, the roast just has a little over an hour left, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the slaw now. I have this tricolor coleslaw from Walmart. I should have gotten the bigger bowl, y'all. I picked up that bigger bowl and I was like, nah, I can do this little one. I'm not doing anything new with the slaw today, just salt, pepper, mayonnaise, and a little bit of sugar. Titus said he's very excited about these barbecue sandwiches, more than normal when I would make a barbecue sandwich, because we have that Kinder's Honey Hot barbecue sauce. It tastes like a barbecue house barbecue sauce, you know, like where you would get pulled pork and stuff. Jonah and Sissy are gonna sleep good tonight. They have been on that slip and slide most of the day. Manly doesn't want to go on it, y'all. He'll go down there with them and get wet just by, you know, letting the water sprinkle up on him, but he doesn't want to slide down it. Every now and then he'll walk down it. He's just got to work up his courage. Maybe before summer's over, he'll be slipping and sliding and playing in the pool. I think that is good. I thought I was going to need a little more mayonnaise, but I think we're good by the time it sits for a little while. The roast. I guess I'll go be doing that. Sometimes you throw hints and people don't catch them.
Sometimes I don't catch hints, but that don't mean I'm not a good husband.
It smells like a barbecue house here, doesn't it?
Some good taste. I'm telling you, this Blackstone gets some really good taste. You just kind of let it absorb the taste of this Blackstone.
Oh, I think that one. Oh, sorry.
Well, we better start taking them off. Got my helper right here helping me. Gator bite!
He has a smooth walk after he gets it ready for you.
This is why we practice, everybody.
There he goes.
Look at that boy helping Dad.
He watches a lot of rodeos, so he tries to get in a hurry about it, like he's trying to do
I have to watch myself. I'll jump off here and go try to tie that thing down right there.
He's got it, Daddy. There's the walk.
Woo!
How do you do it so fast?
Tell him how you do it so fast.
Because I'm a fast boy.
He's a fast boy. Yeah, I sat out here in my bedroom shoes tonight.
Oh, I didn't even notice you had bedroom shoes.
Yeah, I got my cowboy boots on. It don't affect me any.